Come, listen. Do you hear it? There is a squeaking sound when turning the steering wheel. If you choose to go to a repair shop, wrong. If we replace the plain bearing on the shock absorber, the problem will be solved. Also, if there is a squeaking sound when going over a speed bump, no need to repair the car chassis. Just replace the stabilizer bar rubber sleeve for a few dollars. There is a buzzing sound when driving at high speed, and the faster the speed, the louder the sound. Check the engine and transmission immediately. No need to spend money to replace the wheel core bearing. There is a click-click sound when the car turns. Just replace this outer ball cage. When the car is driving on the cement road, there is a dong-dong drumming sound. If you replace the shock absorber assembly, it is wrong. You only need to replace the shock absorber core. There is a chee-chee sound when starting the car. No need to repair the engine. Let's pour some water on the belt. If the abnormal noise disappears at this time, then just tighten the belt. There is a squeaking sound when you step on the brakes. This is even easier. Let's find an open space and step on the brakes hard a few times. The abnormal sound will disappear. Follow me. Learn about cars every day.